Good morning, everyone. A quick good morning walk around my garden to show you the garden from them filled with morning dew. Lady of Shalott is recovering from first rain, which unfortunately coincided with her first blooms. I love when she has all the droplets of water on her leaves. You know, nature knows how to celebrate life. All her flowers are turned towards sun. Nepeta is the queen of garden this week. My poor Azalea is recovering from the major haircut. And here I placed, under my arch, I moved 2 pots from my back patio, and hopefully sage is going to blossom there. And look at my wonderful, glorious, generous garden. Let's go and enjoy her blooms this morning. Oh, she's ready to fall. Oh. Hello. Yep. She's losing her petals fast. How are you today? And so many magnificent buds. my sage in the pot better bloom soon, because I want to pair its beautiful blue color with the pink color of generous gardener. Enjoy your Saturday, everyone. Happy gardening.